NBC's Guad Venegas is live for us in Rockport, Texas. Guad, to make matters worse, some of Texas was also under tornado warnings. What's the scene there on the ground?
That's correct, Anna. We had these warnings go out yesterday throughout the day, and we're still under a wind advisory here that should be ending this hour with wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour. And you can see some of the flooding in this neighborhood. And I'm standing near the driveway of one of these properties holding on to this marker, but this shows you just how deep it gets. I'm not going to go further than that, but it gets pretty deep as you move down that street. And you can see the mailboxes. This is just one of the areas that flooded near the coast. We still have areas that are closer to the Gulf. We have a barrier island between us and the Gulf, and we still had this type of flooding. And then, of course, there's been the wind damage. Earlier, we spoke to a couple who suffered damage in their home just down the road from us. And a lot of individuals that live in properties like these are also now dealing with the flooding. Let's hear from a couple that spoke to us about what it was like when the water came in.
I opened the blinds and I was like, the ocean looks closer. And so I woke him up, and then he looked, he was like, yep, it's right there.
The ocean moved on you?
Yeah, it moved on us.
Couldn't say nothing, but where'd the road go?
Where?
You know, the road's gone. Guess there's no moving my truck now.
And it just happened so fast. You know, yesterday we were standing in Corpus Christi at the marina. We saw the water level come up and we were getting ready to go live. We had a marker on the ground. We looked at it and we said, look, if it goes up more than an inch in 5 minutes, we got to go. It moved up 2 inches in 5 minutes. It just happened so fast when you've got that surge coming in, the heavy rain. So conditions can change really fast. That's why authorities were warning a lot of residents in the area with the flooding, especially along the coast and in areas where they got a lot of that heavy rain. Now, fortunately, most of that heavy rain, according to the forecast, already made its way through, but we still had flash flood warnings in effect this morning with more of that rain. And again, a lot of these neighborhoods are still underwater as the weather makes its way through this area, Anna.
And still quite breezy, we see. Guad Venegas, thank you. Let's hope the worst is behind everybody there. And joining us now is Peter Zanoni, city manager of Corpus Christi, Texas, roughly 60 miles south of Rockport, where Guad is there. So, Peter, thank you for taking the time. I'm sure it's busy. What's the situation there in Corpus Christi right now? How's the city doing?
Right. Good afternoon, Anna. Thanks for the coverage today. So we're doing pretty decent. We did have another band of rain this morning, and our coastline continues to rise with our high tide. So we're still dealing with the effects of Alberto. We're not out of the clear yet. We're monitoring the situation pretty closely, and actually in some areas we're able to start the cleanup, especially along our coastal beaches and some of our bay areas here in the city.
At this point, I'm wondering, what is your biggest concern? And I know that you had a 24-hour emergency team already throughout the week. Did you feel like you've been prepared for what has happened?
Yes, we have. Yes, Anna. So we're a coastal city, and this city over the decades has been impacted by tropical storms, hurricanes. So we're very adept to being, one, prepared, and then two, responding and cleaning up and moving forward. It's a big part of our culture here in Corpus Christi. So we spent a good part of last week preparing, especially Monday and even into Tuesday. Wednesday, we do what we always do when a storm approaches. We kind of hunker down and see where emergency services are needed and make sure we're providing a lot of information to our residents. And then the day after today is a little unusual because usually a storm comes and goes and we can start the cleanup immediately. But we're continuing to see, with one more high tide, impacts to our coastal areas, including the marina that you were covering, as well as some of our bay areas. A section of our town called North Beach, which is very low lying, still is having water inundation today. So that's stopping a little bit the cleanup that we usually do pretty quickly. But we're transitioning now to what we normally do is the cleanup, the recovery, and trying to move forward from an event like this.
Well, we know it's not over yet. Good luck as you continue those efforts. And of course, it's just really the beginning of hurricane season. So we wish you the very best, that everybody stays safe. Thanks, Peter Zanoni.